Yo, I'm Adam and this is South Manchester Electrical. So, this video, it's going to be about, I'll take you through the job first, but what we are going to do is, we've got a 3.8 sign to go above there. It's a heritage site, so we can only use galv on the outside. Some of the rougher people have used black conduit. Suppose it's a little bit in keeping with that, but I can't put anything but galv next to that because it'll just look like a pig's ear. And what we've done is we've done a full rip out. We've put some surface LED profile in off the switch over there, which is also a two-way, so when they first come in the morning they can flick it off and on. We've put some LED strip underneath here. As it drives on top. Put some extra sockets in for the on a clean supply for the data and the telephone and stuff. Put it away. One of the big ones is we've put 36 metres of LED strip all the way around the perimeter of the it's really bright as well. We upgraded the mains because it was an absolute dog's dinner. It was falling apart, the cover didn't even stay on, so that's all looking mint now. We've run 2 aircon feeds in for over there so they get some aircon in the future. But there's a 200 watt driver. We've got another one up there. We keep them apart because they do give off a bit of heat once they're on full load. Dimmable 200 watt drivers. Done various loads of other little bits and bats, but like changed all the emergency lights. Obviously they don't want that on all the time, so it's just on a sensor. Like I said, new aircon feed. We run it all the way round down the outside. It should look very nice once the joiners pull the finger out and get the bits of wood stuck to it all. Socket over there as well. Nothing faulty in here, lad. This is South Manchester Electrical.
Get in there, South Manchester.
He's painted over the hey up, he's ruined it, hasn't he?
Joseph Pilates.
He's the founder. Hey up. What are you doing over there on your phone? Hey? Oh, he's on his phone, never working. Yeah, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna show you. Not done it for about 12 months. A bit of galv conduit, so hopefully I can still show you the ropes. So let's get into this. So basically, we measured before. We've put a 20mm hole in the back of the conduit box. So then, let me just spin it round. We're going to put one of these membrane grommets in. If I can't push it in, give us a sec. Yeah, so that's in now, and it's pretty flush as well, so that'll sit nice so that it holds the cable as well. Got a fixing hole in there. We'll earth the back box as well. And you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to put a drain hole in the bottom of it as well. Some people will see their arse with that, but it's only a short piece and we don't want any callbacks, so we're going to stick a little drain hole in it. All the electricians, oh, you can't do that, you can't do that. Watch me. So yeah, we'll measure up from there to there. Conduit to be, want the conduit to run on that brick, so we need it to be, the top of the conduit needs to be at 910, so I won't far off a metre. So love the pink Sharpie. 900 and 910. So that's where we want our bend, or the top of the conduit, to be. So come in a bit hard. So we're going to make that is going to be the top of, that's going to be the top of the conduit on the wall. So what I need to do is line, get your piece of conduit, and nail like that. But it sits on that anyway, so we can move it down until a little bit more, until that line. Come around, can you see that line here, Alf? Come round a bit to me. Now that is now sat on the level square, on the set square, the marker point that we marked before. Out, I won't where's the big hacksaw? So I've cut it down a little bit just so obviously I can get the bend round. But on this instance, not enough is better than too much. But you can see it's need to take it a bit more. So I know I've marked it. I know our starting line here as well, so I know where we need to go to. And we can see this, our original line is coming round. Alright, yeah.
Alright, because they've got to move theirs.
Ticket officers. That's about 90, that. I'll just come back in a minute and move it. So now we can see that you can put that up to the conduit, put that on there, and it is bang on, that, which is good. So
You can't park your van there.
can't you see that sign there?
You can't park your van there. He called me straight away as soon as I was driving in. Went, "Hi, what's going on here?"
Get on it. Famous.
I've always been.
You don't get any royalties though.
Hey, I've always been famous.
So now, hopefully this should now sit on the top of this brick. Perfect honours. What we'll do is we'll mark this and put this here, put a 3 box on, and then when the light does come, the flex can just stick into the end of it. Never forget to deburr it. The deburrer. Now because it's not, the box isn't sat on it flush, when it's sat on the wall, I'm going to have to put an extra thread, an extra turn on it, so put a compound lad.
Well, not in Liverpool though.
Find the end of it. There we are. And then we just want a half turning a little tiny bit. So there's one. And that should be perfect, that. Fingers crossed. Give it a bit of a wipe with Harvey's glove. Fingers crossed this should sit flat if it's to the wall now. Is now about right. Saying Av.
Looks good to me.
You don't put any compound on first, you just get it started. So there we go. Should have 1 or 2 turns on that there. Yeah, it's ready to go. Bit of gear on it. Get it going now. And that should be alright now. A bit more of a twist. You happy with that, Av?
Bang on again.
Bangers. Obviously at the top up here we'll just put a stuffing gland out of that at the top, so our sound light can go into it. I think that's right.
Watch and learn, lads, watch and learn.
The foot one there. Get the old pink Sharpie out.
Have you lost
Wherever it is. Usually in your pocket. No, you can't have it.
I was just going to suggest maybe an elbow now.
Wouldn't have looked as good though, would it?
Yeah, up there.
I think I noticed.
Reckon that looks right. Let's take a stand back, Av, and does it look right? Yeah, it looks good. I bet you this sandwich is egg and cress. That's all he eats. Knew it. Egg and cress. Every time egg and cress. But anyway, back to business. So that's us. We've got the sign light up. Looks mint, and it's going to look really good at night. That. So I'll get us a nice, decent picture of it for at night. Let's have a quick look.
Starry night. Paint your palettes blue and grey.
Tree decorators, eh?
Pictures of a summer's day.
So let's put a little clip in that there, hold that down. Got a good wipe. This sign's got about 3 years of dirt on it, so it needs a good clean. But I don't think it turned out too bad. It's a nice light, this. It'll light it up. You don't believe they don't come with fixings, so to get the old Sharpie on it, on the plugs and screws. But absolute belter, absolute Bobby Dazzler. So this is it now. We've finished the job. The signage looks mint, really bright at night. I've seen a picture. Hopefully I'll get a picture of it on here. At the entrance, that's also the sign light. Yeah, might as well turn it off, don't we? Put a nice neon sign up there. 400 watt V Pro dimmers.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, it was a Netto. They're hoping for the fucking
Netto?
or something like that. There's something connected with Sainsbury's.
The black and yellow bag with a dog on it.
Yeah, that was it.
You'd never be caught dead as a kid, me, one of them. Mum used to do it on purpose.
Supermarket fucking snob?
That's what it is. You used to get bullied, wouldn't you, if you go to
now?
school with one of them.
You're not putting that on the internet. I don't want people see us fucking sat here doing it.
What's your language? Come on. With another neon sign.
Yeah, I've done quite a lot of work in Limerick.
But wicked, absolutely wicked. Obviously the
Well, I've got a couple
218 metre lengths of LED strip all the way around the perimeter. 200 watt drivers. You had to obviously upgrade the mains. All our CBOs. 2 aircon supplies to go in once they've got permission, because it's a heritage site. They can't just punch holes in the walls and crack on. But done a lot of work here, to be fair. Relocated speakers. What else have we done? Loads of extra sockets. And that's us done now.